Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the period or dot shortcut on the Gboard application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page, and after that you should click on this keyboard settings option, which is the third button. Scroll down to the bottom of this second section, and here you can find this last feature, dot or period shortcut, that you can enable easily by clicking on this button on the right side of the screen next to it. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.